Hi, this is Joe Harari. Welcome to this short training on what Capitalise is and how to use it. So in order to log in, it is very simple. All you have to do is go to this website, fxcm.capitalise.ai with the British spelling, and then you log in either with a demo or a real, doesn't matter. There's no need to pre-register before, so anybody can just log in using a demo. I just created a demo for this presentation, and I'm gonna log in into it. So this is basically a tool that allows clients to create their own strategies without knowing how to code. So you can basically code any strategy, any idea that you have with just plain English. Right, so let me just show you an example. If Euro USD price crosses 1.200, below 1.200 by 100 BTC USD. Okay, so let's say I think that if the price of euro dollar crosses below 1.200, so if it's right now here, and if it goes up and it goes here, the volatility is very high. So I want to buy Bitcoin for whatever reason, doesn't matter the reason, and I want to close position at profit of 500 or at loss of 200. Okay. Here you get a little dashboard that shows you what you have just done. So if your dollar crosses below 1.20, then I want to open 100 contracts of BTC USD to buy, and this is just the stop and limit. So if it at a profit of 500 or a loss of 200, I want to close the position. Confirm. No. This is just like an AI thing that whatever. So here you have the strategy itself. It's a little dashboard. So here you can see where the price of your dollar is, and when it goes here, it's gonna open my position. Right? Very simple stuff. Let's create a new one, a little bit more complex. So if the MA, the 100-day MA of gold, is above the MA. But let's do this 15 minutes, and let's do 20. Okay, so if the MA of 100 daily candles of gold is above the MA of 15-minute candles, of 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and the RSI 14 of GBP USD crosses above the RSI of German 30, then by 100k euro USD and sell 50k USD CAD. Okay, and I want to close position after whatever the 10-year note auction UA result. The profit, I don't know, of 1,000. Okay, so this is just, I have no idea what I'm doing, but I just made a strategy, right? And now I can confirm it. And now I'm gonna have 2 strategies. Simple as that. No need to code anything, no need to pay anybody, no need to do any messy stuff, download things. That's it. Now I have 2 strategies, they're running, I can close on the platform, they're always gonna be running. And you can basically do anything you want using this platform. We think it's gonna be super useful for clients. Feel free to log in and test it out. We're going to have a contest about this shortly. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. All right? Goodbye.